morning, YouTubers. We kind of slept in today, so the sun's already out. But I'm drinking my coffee here and gotta wake up and go get the kids because our elves, Hermie and Snowflake, well, they got into trouble once again. Let's see what they did, okay? But first, let's go wake up Bug and Coco. Alright? Okay. Here she is. Lila, wake up.
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
We gotta wake up your brother. It's time to wake up. And we gotta go find the elves.
Okay. Colton, wake up, or it's time to find the elves.
It's time.
Found Hermie.
What are they doing? What's Hermie doing?
He's riding the I found Snowflake.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck? Watching my YouTube channel on here. He's watching the YouTube channel. He has Legos. Hermie and Snowflake are watching the Bug and Coco channel. Good morning, everybody out there on YouTube. We just found our elves. We are going to build an awesome fort in the world.
You guys, so as you saw already, the kids woke up and they had to find Hermie and Snowflake, their elves. And what was Hermie doing?
Hermie was trying to ride Santa's sleigh.
Yeah, what was Snowflake doing, Cole?
She was trying to watch a YouTube video.
So check it out. So the kids woke up, found their elves, and now what we're going to do is build the most awesomest fort ever!
It can either be a castle, a fort, or anything.
That's right. And we're just going to use stuff around the house.
Well, it can be an awesome castle or awesome door. Oh yeah, that can go awesome Lego house.
That's a build a Lego house.
Yeah, both.
Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna use stuff around the house, and we're gonna use some chairs and some sheets and whatever else we can find, and we're gonna build an awesome fort.
Either a castle, a fort, and an awesome door to go with it.
That sounds good to me.
Or with walls, of course.
Gotta have a roof, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta
So
have a roof.
rain or thunderstorms or something doesn't get in the house.
We gotta keep the rain out. We don't want to get wet, do we?
No.
No.
We would have to find something to go under,
Yeah.
for undercover.
That's right. That's awesome. I think that sounds good. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll start going and get some sheets,
Mhm.
and if you want, maybe get some stools and some chairs out
Okay.
so that we can start making them. And should we use these chairs?
If we want to.
Well, I'm asking you, do you want to?
Sure.
Okay.
Bring it up, bring it up, bring it, bring it, bring it up.
Alright guys, our fort is done. Let's take a tour inside.
Let's check out the fort. Oh, what is this? Is that the door?
Yeah?
How do you close it, like this?
Yeah.
Whoa,
Okay,
okay.
open it back up. Okay guys,
Hold on.
so we have a light. There's my brother playing the game with his stuff. And I have my stuff already. See the cool light we have in here because it's kind of dark. And I'm already I'm still holding my stuff. And I have my stuff.
Yeah, you guys got your blankets in here?
Yeah, just in case we're cold.
And is that a lantern?
Yeah.
Alright.
I have my holding my blanket. This is my favorite bee. I love to snuggle with it every night. This is my favorite. Even though it's washed, I still snuggle with it every single night.
What is your bee?
I love to sleep with my bee at night. Even I love my bee so much. I snuggle with it every single night.
What about you, Coco? Do you have a bee?
It looks like this, and it's cozy.
Is that your bee?
Yeah, it's cozy.
Yeah.
My next pillow I always like. I have this squishmallow. One of my friends gave it to me on my birthday. And I have my favorite lammy I got for Valentine's Day when I was in 1st grade. And I got my sticky mask. And I made some fidgets. The first one, it's this orbies kind. You can squish it. This one's a really good bouncy one.
Tell them how you make that.
So you have orbies and balloons, or one balloon if you needed to, and then you just pour and you have a funnel, and then you pour the orbies in it, and then you have water, and then you pour it in, and then you take it off, and then you tie it, and then you have a fidget like that. You can make all sorts of.
So they can see.
This one, and the other one. I made one for my friend. Her name is Jaden, and I made one for her. It's on the counter over there.
Cool. Nice. Alright guys, so that was a really cool tour. Lila and Colton did a really good job on building their awesome fort. We do this all the time, and they absolutely love doing it. Sometimes we watch movies and make popcorn, and the kids just camp out in their awesome tent, or their fort. Okay guys, everybody got their popcorn and their juice, and everybody's cozy?
We're watching Home Alone. And we're watching a movie called Home Alone.
Ooh, what do you think about that, Colt?
Yeah. And we're in our awesome fort. And we got popcorn.
Yum.
And we're in our awesome fort.
That's right. There's got their awesome fort. We opened up the front of it so that they can watch a movie. All right, let's get it started.